Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day on this one was in the headlines, and not only did the price go kaboom, you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support that really stands out to me is right up here at this area at the $79 mark. Now, as far as 79 is concerned, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill in finding it. I assure you, anybody that uses charts and understands charts has taken notice of this level. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have here with $79. You know, if that level is broken to the downside, there's definitely some room for it to potentially move to the downside as that next overall level of support, not until down there around the $74 mark. Now, I'm not saying that if 79 is broken, that within 2 minutes the price is down at 74. My point is, just looking through the history of the chart here, there just isn't any other significant data points that would suggest some sort of bigger level of support. So like I said, I know I'll be watching 79 very, very closely, and you know, for a potential short to the downside. But you also have to give credit where credit's due, because you know, this level has acted very solidly for longs to the upside. So you got to keep that in mind too. But like I said, a whole lot of people going to be watching, you know, that $79 mark and, you know, wondering if the price can hold or if the price is going to, you know, start to, you know, get more downwards pressure. Now, if that level does hold and the price starts to head back up, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, the main one that stands out to me is that resistance trend line right there. So, you know, keep an eye on that. It's hard to assign a numerical value to it because, you know, this line is changing as time goes on. But right around, give or take, $84 looking to be the key level of resistance going forward. But yeah, interesting setup going forward. Like I said, I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.